Enhance your home's appeal. Update outlets and switches for a coordinated look. Overlooking a broken light switch may seem like a minor issue, with a potential repair cost of just $22. However, failing to address this seemingly small problem can lead to significant consequences, potentially costing you $2,200 or more in lost negotiations. Imagine the disappointment of flipping a switch only to find that nothing happens. Prospective buyers may perceive this as a sign of neglect and begin to question the overall condition of the house. This loss of confidence can translate into a lower selling price and missed opportunities for maximizing your profit. As your dedicated consultant and negotiator, I understand the importance of attending to every detail. By conducting a comprehensive room-by-room review of your home, I will meticulously identify areas that could benefit from upgrades or repairs before you enter the market. This proactive approach will ensure that your house presents itself in the best possible light, capturing the attention of potential buyers and enabling you to achieve your desired asking price and more. For the next 10 days, I am at your disposal to conduct a thorough room-by-room review, ensuring that your home is poised for a quick sale as soon as you're ready to make a move. It's important to recognize that the decision you make 3 to 6 months prior to listing your house can significantly impact your financial outcome when it comes time to sell. With me on your team, you'll receive expert guidance and support throughout the selling process. Together, we'll leave no stone unturned, guaranteeing that your home's outlets and switches are updated to create a seamless, coordinated appearance that buyers will love. Choose excellence and let us help you sell your home for top dollar. Contact us today to schedule your comprehensive review and take the first step towards a successful and profitable sale.